So you come out a little bit, they stop you, and then you're on one of them turbo launches. We're getting ready to, I'm trying to keep my hands from shaking. It's hard to hold them straight here. All right, I'll try to keep my hands straight. Wow, holy moly. This is another crazy one where your feet come off the bottom. Holy moly, you're in the air now. This is sick. Holy. So your feet actually launch in the air off of this thing. What a sick roller coaster. Woo-ha-ha! Crazy. Oh, that's it. So every time you guys go up, you launch into the air and the surfboard stays down, so your feet actually come unconnected from the board. But this is a pretty decent roller coaster. I like it. It's not as bad as the Manta and the Mako. That thing is just, those two guys are sick roller